we recently got to 1,000 subscribers, thanks very much everybody. And YouTube have sent us something in the post, weirdly. And got a little helper to help with building the mystery Lego thing.
Whoa.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
And that's that, we built our very own
YouTube play button.
Yeah, sent from YouTube. Yeah. Very good. That's very nice. We're going to have it in some of our videos in the background. Yeah. We must have made it big in the YouTube world. So thank you for watching everyone.
Make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!